Every B2B transaction carries an element of trust. You deliver products, provide services, and expect payment as agreed. But what happens when your business partner in Vietnam stops responding? For foreign companies operating in Vietnam, unpaid invoices are not just accounting problems, they are legal and financial liabilities. Recovering that money requires knowing which tools actually work in Vietnam's legal and commercial environment. Vietnam's B2B market is vibrant, especially in manufacturing, logistics, construction, and distribution. But it's also where debt defaults happen most. Many businesses operate with tight cash flows, limited financial transparency, and informal credit practices. In this environment, foreign creditors must be prepared to act swiftly, legally, and strategically. Vietnam's legal system offers multiple tools for B2B debt recovery. But knowing when and how to use them is critical. 1. The demand letter. The first and often most effective tool is the formal demand letter. This isn't just a warning, it's a legal trigger. A bilingual demand letter, properly structured under Vietnamese legal language, gives the debtor a clear message: you're serious, you're prepared, and you have legal grounds. It also establishes a paper trail, and strengthens your case if litigation becomes necessary. At LTS Law, we custom tailor each demand letter to the industry, size of debt, and nature of the dispute. In many cases, the response comes within days, not weeks. 2. Negotiation with leverage. Many B2B debt situations can still be resolved through negotiation, but only if it's backed by pressure. At LTS Law, we use a method called strategic legal negotiation. It combines legal documents, debt profiling, and debtor risk exposure to bring the debtor to the table. Our team often negotiates directly with senior executives, or in-house counsel of the debtor. We present evidence, outline consequences, and create time-bound options to settle, without compromising your legal standing. 3. Civil litigation in Vietnamese courts. When negotiation fails or the debtor avoids contact, civil litigation becomes the next step. Filing a commercial lawsuit in Vietnam requires complete documentation, translated contracts, and strong procedural compliance. LTS Law handles everything from petition drafting, evidence submission, and court representation. We also understand court expectations by region and industry. The goal of litigation isn't just a ruling, it's enforceability. That's why our litigation strategy always anticipates the enforcement phase. 4. Arbitration. If your contract includes an arbitration clause, especially under VIAC or ICC rules, this can be a faster and more confidential route. Arbitration avoids local court delays, and allows more control over process and confidentiality. Our lawyers are trained in arbitration practice, and can represent you in both Vietnamese and international forums. This tool is especially powerful for foreign companies who need privacy and predictability. 5. Judgment enforcement. Winning a lawsuit or arbitration case is not the end, it's the beginning of enforcement. In Vietnam, court judgments are enforced through the Civil Enforcement Agency. This involves asset tracing, lien registration, account freezing, and potentially requesting public auction of the debtor's assets. LTS Law's enforcement team works closely with enforcement officers to ensure every order is acted upon. We provide the debtor's updated business information, coordinate with financial institutions, and file motions when resistance occurs. 6. Travel ban or bankruptcy motion. In high-value cases or when the debtor is intentionally avoiding payment, Vietnam law allows creditors to request travel bans on the debtor's legal representative. This is a strong pressure tactic. Similarly, initiating bankruptcy proceedings signals both seriousness and financial consequences. While not used in every case, these legal measures can force settlement negotiations, or push dormant cases forward. The strength of LTS Law lies in how we combine these tools into a recovery plan tailored for each client. We don't push every case to court, we don't rush into settlement. We assess the debtor's risk level, your business objective, and the best sequence of action. Our bilingual legal team, litigation experts, and negotiators coordinate across all stages, from first notice to final payment. If you're a foreign business in Vietnam, or a legal manager of an FDI company facing unpaid B2B invoices, don't let uncertainty delay recovery. Contact LTS Law to build a tactical recovery roadmap using Vietnam's most effective legal tools. Visit lts.com.vn to schedule a consultation. In Vietnam, knowing the law isn't enough. You need the right people to make it work for you.